Okay guys, it is officially time for this room tour. We are currently staying at the Intercontinental downtown LA. We're on the 56th floor and we are at room 5619.
Ayesha Mariah, girl, you're so fire. The way you do what you do, they just don't make them like you.
We are staying in the executive suite. The first thing you're gonna notice when you walk into the room is the lighting. It is full of natural lighting. But before we get into this beautiful space, let's start off with the bathroom because it's right here to the left as soon as you walk into the door. Here we have some closet space, and then right next to the closet is where the bathroom is located. You open the bathroom and it is beautiful and bright. I already have some of my stuff in here because I'm so excited about how beautiful the bathroom looks. The mirror is amazing. It's super bright. There's lights all over. I love the lighting because that's good for pictures, aesthetic, and everything. Of course, here I have my travel bag. There is a beautiful tub, which I won't be getting in because here on this channel, we should already know Ayesha doesn't like bathtubs, but this is beautiful, especially for photos and a vibe. Then we have this beautiful shower. It's the color scheme for me. I love these neutral colors, and the shower is definitely up to date and modern. And I must say, from experience, the water pressure on these shower heads are to die for. I personally like that the bathroom is located in its own room because who doesn't like privacy? And then there's me, fresh out the gym. Moving right along, when you exit the bathroom, we have this full body mirror, which is great for outfit of the days, of course, and checking yourself out. The mirror is amazing. I love it. Then here is the living space, which I must say is very spacious. If I didn't mention, we are in the executive suite. We have this beautiful painting on the wall. I'm loving the decor, the aesthetic. It is very, very, very comfortable. That's my personal throw right there. Then we have the television. We have a work desk with a view. Who doesn't love a view? We'll get back to that. Some more living area. Over there we have like a wet bar or a dry bar. Then this is the bed, which I also must say is very comfortable. Let's see what's in the wet bar. I believe over here we have a fridge. Then we have some product placement for Reset Body. Make sure you cleanse yourself. An espresso machine. Some shelves. And that's where the fridge is at. The room also came with these cozy slippers. Don't mind the bed. I made it up myself. And this section right here just happens to be my absolute favorite part of the room, because who doesn't like waking up to a motivating bright view of the city? We did get lucky enough to get a corner room, and it's amazing because this is where that natural lighting comes from. The view. We have a view all the way around the room. Now, who doesn't like that? So guys, that completes the room tour. I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I enjoy the experience of being here in this room. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more.
Ayesha Mariah, girl, you're so fire. The way you do what you do, they just don't make them like you.